Hello and welcome back. I'm Sandy with Sandy's Organized Chaos, and today's Sunday. That means it's vlog day. So happy to see every single one of you. Now, I know I wasn't here last Sunday. I know I wasn't, but I just needed some time off to spend with my family and stuff like that. Everything's fine. We still haven't heard back from Jeff's doctors yet. We're still waiting patiently, very patient. But everything's fine. I just needed some time off, like I said, to spend with my family, and I was able to get my chaos boxes out the door. So I just needed kind of that time for all that to kind of get myself organized and everything. So I'm sure you guys probably seen the Secret Santa collaboration that's been going on, and I posted mine on Friday night. So what did you guys think? Did you guys like my tumbler? I was pretty excited to show everybody. I'm really happy with the concept that I came up with, and it's, you know, you guys were definitely, had a lot of stuff to say about me having my hair down. I know that because I don't think I've ever showed you guys with my hair down, but when I'm out here and it's hot, I put my hair up. It's extremely rare that I actually wear it down. I just figured it was a special occasion, so I decided to do my hair. But there was a lot more to it. Taylor had set up like a messenger on Instagram, and so that way we could go on there, we could ask questions, and it was just really nice kind of to get to know everybody. It was really nice. And some people are still chatting away in there and and stuff. So like I said, it is quite nice, and I'm just so happy to have been able to be a part of it, because it was a lot of fun watching everybody's videos and then watching people's reactions. It kind of just really put me in the Christmas mood, Christmas spirit, especially with everything that's going on, which has been really hard to kind of get in the Christmas spirit, but that was definitely a lot of fun. So as you guys know, I made my Tumbler for Rebecca Escott with Everything Tumbler Tutorials and more. And then I don't know if you guys know who sent me a Tumbler. It was actually Rebecca Escott. She actually sent me a Tumbler as well. So I guess we were the ones that kind of got grouped up and we just flip-flopped with one another, because I think everybody else kind of sent theirs to everybody, other people besides the person that made theirs. Anyways, so I do have that this morning. It's a big guy, so this is just water. But look how absolutely beautiful that is. She did such a good job. What an honor, right? Like, it's just crazy. I can't believe I have a Tumbler, from another YouTube creator like Rebecca Scott. I mean, that's crazy. Absolutely crazy. But I love it so, so much. And she actually sent me a ton of goodies. And it made me feel bad because I didn't send a ton of goodies. I just sent my cup. Because I thought that's what we had to do, I thought you just send your cup. I thought that's what we did, so that's what I did. Everybody else is sending stuff with their cup, and I'm like, now I feel bad. But she sent me a ton of stuff, and I actually want to go over it with you guys just a little bit more, kind of show off everything that she sent me, and I want to try some stuff out. I don't know if I'll be able to try it out today, but I want to definitely show you guys today, and we'll kind of go from there. There are some things that I'm like, I've never tried before, so I'll show you guys here in a minute what I got. But if you guys have not seen her tutorial yet for this guy that she sent me, I will make sure that I put it down in the description box so that you guys can go over there and subscribe to her channel. Subscribe, show her some love too, watch her videos. She's absolutely amazing. And also, I know I got started on, well, first off, Phyllis Gast won the plaid tumbler that I had showed you guys. So congratulations, Phyllis. I just sent that out yesterday. So it's coming to you, okay? I promise. I've just been so busy, but it's coming to you, I promise. And what else? We were working on my mom's switch plates. I don't know if we're gonna get to that today, because like I said, I wanna show you all these goodies that Rebecca had sent me. So we'll see. I don't know. I might have to hold off for next week. And next week I might be showing you guys, using some of this stuff. So I'm not sure. Anyways, we better get moving. All right. We don't have all day here, but I got my water and I'm ready to wake up, prep these tumblers and slay all day. Let's do this. right, so I wanted to go over just a little bit more, kind of show you guys exactly what Rebecca had sent me, because I felt like I didn't want to take up too much time when I did my unboxing in her videos. So I just really wanted to show you guys, because I am just so extremely thankful that she sent all this to me, and it was so very sweet and kind of her. So the first thing that I had gotten, she sent me all these decals. These, I believe they're clear cast decals. So these were all the ones that she sent me here. So cute. Oh, look at that one. I love that. That's so cute. Oh, that is cute too. I love it. And the mug and all that. That is adorable. And then some of the other stuff that she sent me. Now, this is all from AB Designs. I'll make sure to put the link to this into the description so you guys can check that shop out. There's glitter. I mean, there's everything. I even believe there's like tumblers and all kinds of stuff. But she sent me some really amazing nail tape to be able to do on my tumblers and stuff. So I haven't even opened all this stuff up yet. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, take a look at these colors, but there's all kinds of colors. Oh, oh, there we go. This is just an example of some of the stuff that she sent me here. Let me get it open. Oh, look at all those pretty colors. So there's a super thin, and then like medium, and then like a larger size purple. And then that's like kind of the same concept with all of these. I believe like there's a smaller one and a bigger one. So there's a bronze, a magenta, glitter pale blue. Put those up there. And then there's also coffee nail tape. Oh, it's a very pretty like brown. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's very pretty. And there is also glitter pale pink. Oh, that's so cute. And she also sent me a really cool brush. Look how adorable that is. Let me go ahead and open it. I want to touch it. It looks so soft. Oh, that is so cool. I love the way that looks too. Be good for putting on glue and stuff like that. And she also sent me a bunch of these chameleon powders. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I have never used chameleon powders before. I'm just gonna open up one. Look at that cute little container. That is so adorable. I love that. Let's see, dragonfly, beetle, monarch. It's like a pretty purple, and caterpillar. Oh my goodness, so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and open up beetle. So it comes in this little container. Ooh, gotta be careful. Stuff goes everywhere. This super fine stuff is it'll just get going. I'm just gonna take a little bit, a little dash of it, and put it. Oh my goodness, how pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to use these. Those are just adorable. She also sent me a tumbler stand, which I hadn't put together yet. Let me put it together real quick. Actually, it just slid right in. It was super easy to put together. But when I went onto the website, it looked like this is kind of a new thing, but oop, knocking stuff down. You could just easily set your tumbler in there so you can do your decals. That is so neat. I really like that. I like how it's angled and everything. That's perfect. That is so super cool. And it looks like they 3D print these themselves. So very awesome. And then she also sent me a ton of these vinyls. Look at these. You need to cut them out, have all kinds of different snowmen and stuff to put in your tumblers. And then she sent me some of these. So you could use these for all kinds of stuff. Has a little girl boss and all that. Oh, these turtles are adorable. I like that. Kind of reminds me of like those bags you see. Oh my goodness, I can't remember the names of them. Anyways, I see a lot of ladies carrying bags that kind of look like that. And then some tulips. Oh, these are cute. Oh, that's a very cute design. Look, it has a bat in the middle of it. Oh, how cute. Oh, that is adorable. I like that with the owl and all that. And then some leopard. Oh, that's pretty too. I really like that. She used some of this on the tumbler that she made for me. Oh, look at that. It has seahorses and coral and mermaid scales. Oh my goodness, how cute. But that's all the goodies that she gave me in my box, and I am just so overwhelmed and so thankful with everything that she had sent me. This was so extremely kind of her. Again, make sure you guys go check out her video on the tumbler that she did for me, and make sure you check out this shop too, AB Designs. I'll make sure to put it into the link or the description below for you guys. Thank you again so much, Rebecca. All right, so I have moved on to my afternoon drink. I got 2 tumblers here now. I purchased these through For Crafting Bears. I'll make sure to put her stuff down into the description box below, but I purchased these 2 tumblers from her, and I just got them in last week, so, and I wanted to show you guys. But take a look at how cute. How cute is that? Look at that glitter. Isn't that beautiful? It has like stars and trees and stuff in it. That is gorgeous. Look how cute. Now the other one that I got is this one. Isn't that cute? And that's actually cherry bomb. And then it says, don't get your tinsel in a tangle on the back. But I thought these were just adorable, and I had to buy them. So I bought those from her. So thank you so much. Again, I'll make sure to put her shop into the description box below. I know you guys still see this. Yes, I'm still working on this. They ordered more, and so I'm still working on it. I know it looks like the same ones over and over again. These are different ones. It's just because they're the same colors. So it looks like the same thing behind me all the time. So again, I want to thank you guys so much for just always sending positive vibes with everything that's been going on with me and my family. I truly, truly appreciate it, but I feel like I'm back on track now. You know, like I feel good. Yeah, Jeff's doing better, so everything's starting to come back and be organized again. I don't feel so like crazy overwhelmed with lots of stuff going on, you know, and constantly having to think about my husband and what he's doing and is he okay? So I am very super thankful for you guys. So thank you so much. And I got to figure something to do with those chameleon powders. I'm like I said, I've never used them before, and I don't really know what people use them for. What do they use them for? Like dragon scales, mermaid scale, tumblers. I've never even done one of those. I don't know. New thing for me. Maybe, you know, maybe next year I'll start to do things I've never done before like that. You know, gotta do it at some point, right? Of course, I'll have a tutorial this week. Might be on this guy right here. I don't know, you know, who knows? You'll have to wait and see. But I do have a tutorial this week, so be on the lookout for that. Probably, I've been doing my tutorials on Fridays. I kind of like that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like Fridays? I definitely know for sure I like 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time for myself. You guys let me know. What do you think? But I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I hope you have an amazing rest of your night, amazing rest of your week, and I will see you guys next time.